I'm 31 years old, no kids, and I live in a rental property with my girlfriend in Holland, and my current net worth is 169,000 euros, and that's around $200,000. Hey, my name is Robin and I'm an entrepreneur, and I make most of my money selling my 4 self-published books about puppy training. I started investing 1.5 years ago. I currently have 24% of that 169,000 euros invested, and the rest of it sits in cash. And I've recently learned from others that it is better to have it the other way around. Around 70% invested and around 30% in cash. That's why I currently invest 10,000 euros per month into the S&P 500. I don't buy on dips, I just buy on a specific date each month, and that's it. Pretty boring actually. My current position is around 38,000 euros of the Vanguard S&P 500 index fund. This is currently 93% of my investing position. The other 7% is Bitcoin, and the first time I bought Bitcoin was on November 18, 2020. The idea here is to follow the same strategy as I do with investing in the S&P 500. I don't sell, I just buy every month and hold. My goal is to have 10% of my investments into Bitcoin within a few months.
Here's our money.
That's the best part. It's on the Batman flash drive on your keychain.
And my long-term goal is to have 2 million euros invested by the time I'm 40 in being able to call myself financially free. My goal is to keep investing around 10,000 euros into the Vanguard S&P 500 index fund every month while keeping my Bitcoin position to about 10% of it. Whether or not I can keep investing this amount every month depends on how well my business performs, of course. When I keep adding 10,000 euros per month to the S&P 500, I will reach that 2 million euros number within 11 years if it gives an 8% return every year. Hopefully my Bitcoin investments are a good bet as well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So that's all I got to say for today. Just a small quick update to keep myself sharp and maybe fun for you too to know what I'm up to. My goal is not to worry about money and have plenty of free time to spend my days how I want. One of the reasons I started my business years ago is that I wanted to reach my goal sooner rather than later. And suppose your goal is similar to mine, which is having freedom in time and money, I suggest you start a business that works for you. And one of the best ways in 2020 nowadays to start a business that works for you is to build an audience online. It can be a blog, a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, or a combination of it all. For instance, while I'm filming this video, my other business works for me because people can buy my self-published puppy training books while shooting this video. They can also watch my other dog training YouTube videos where I earn money because of the ads on YouTube videos. This is all possible because I have built an audience of close to 100,000 people visiting my website and watching my YouTube videos about puppy training every single month. And suppose you already know a lot about a particular topic, in that case that can be an excellent start for you to build an audience around that specific topic. And if you're not an expert in a specific topic, then that's okay too. You don't have to be an expert to build an audience. I'm not a dog trainer nor a dog expert, but I did write 4 books about dog training. How? Well, I interviewed lots of dog trainers and summarized all the tips into 4 nice books.